Where to buy cheap AAA rechargeable battery packs. A rechargeable battery is a battery that can be restored to its full or partial charge, thus making it serviceable many times over. Because of its ability to store and accrue energy, it is also referred to as a storage battery. Once the battery is discharged, it goes through electrochemical changes, which can be electrically reversible unlike a primary or non-rechargeable battery. Rechargeable batteries come in different types and sizes such as AA, AAA, CR123A and more. They can be used for many applications such as light vehicles, portable devices, automobile starters, flashlights, and your hip electronic gadgets such as laptops, MP3 players, DVD players, digital cameras, PlayStation and toys. Rechargeable Ni-MH batteries are known to have longer performance and higher capacity compared to NICD batteries. The former is also more expensive but definitely more economical in the long run, as you can use it hundreds and even thousands of times over. Its performance, durability, and no memory effect are qualities worth investing in. Memory effect is the decrease of voltage and capacity in NICD batteries resulting in repetitive charging and incomplete discharging. Since so many portable gadgets are being used today, whether at home or on the go, it is wise to use rechargeable batteries rather than disposable ones. They are also environmental friendly because you get to practice waste management, as toxic waste materials are lessened compared to using disposable batteries, which go to landfills. If you wish to procure cheap rechargeable battery packs, you can start your search from the following: Only Batteries. This online battery shop has all kinds of batteries including rechargeable Ni-MH batteries, lithium battery packs, RC packs, sub-C, 3-volt lithium, photolithium, cellular batteries, and AA and AAA batteries among others. Batteries come from different manufacturers such as Duracell, Panasonic, Sony, Energizer, Tenergy, Powerizer, and many others. The shop provides wholesale and special deals, which you can purchase for very reasonable prices. You can call, fax or email your sales and technical concerns as well as order status. Allbattery.com. This online shop offers a broad range of batteries and accessories from lithium batteries, rechargeable Ni-MH batteries and NICD batteries, primary batteries, 12V rechargeables, charger solutions, custom-made packs, and battery chargers. It also offers special and wholesale deals where you can get flexible prices. Yahoo Shopping. perform product comparison of AAA rechargeable battery packs from Yahoo Shopping. Leading brands such as Energizer, Sony, Duracell, Panasonic, and others are available. Product shipping is free of charge. Next tag: Sony, Eveready, Energizer, Duracell, Panasonic, they have it. Buy your branded AAA rechargeable batteries from this popular comparison shopping venue online. You can also find great deals straight from manufacturers' websites such as Duracell, Energizer, Panasonic, and other brand names. Apart from the advantage of purchasing leading rechargeable battery brands, buying straight from manufacturers normally gives you the money-back warranty. If you do not prefer buying online, you can find rechargeable batteries at your favorite hardware shops and wholesale stores. Purchasing in bulks is usually more economical.